welcome to my other vlogs. Second vlog ko to kasi may part 1 yun, yung tumimpla ko ng drink sa Chinese. Hanggang part 3 to, feeling ko hanggang part 3 din to. Kasi 3 minutes lang ipapost ko. Ay, pwede naman videos pero ayaw ka. So, anong vlog na to, ang topic is gagawin ko ang sentence, yung bye song, yung I don't wanna say you ain't no lie, baby bye, but you would make the truth. I just make the sentence right now. I don't wanna see you ain't out the door, baby bye, but the boy that gave the truth. So, today, may gagawin din ako. Ang makeup. Gagawin ko lang. Wait lang. Kailangan ko ng flashlight. The truth. I'm gonna start a fight. May nahuli ka. Baby, come on. I don't wanna say ain't no lie. Bye. I don't wanna say don't lie. Why would you want to know away the truth? Was over the day in knowing the truth. Ain't nobody to see me. Electric pan na. O, papasya ko sa bagong electric pan. Diba dati yung habang tumitimpla ko ng Chinese, nakikita ninyo na may doon, electric pan doon. Ginagawa ko to. Sorry for the mess. Kumain kasi ako ng chichirya. So, there's 4 items you need to. First, this object. Bye. This one's the first object. Then that one is the third item. I don't know what to do with that, but it's gonna be useful for the third item. And 3, 2, 1. What's this? Oh, it's for makeup. I know this is for eyebrows. And for the next the fourth item. And 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's pool bow. Let's do it! Wait, hold on a second. You cannot see me because it's dark. I'm just gonna turn the light. Is it that much more better? No, it's not much more better. So we're gonna put the other table. So guys, wait for part 3. Bye-bye! Kasi malapit na timer.